Are you facing the iPhone camera stuck on a black screen issue? Here are a few methods you can try to fix it. First, perform a force restart. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. If that doesn't work, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then select Camera. Make sure all the necessary camera permissions are enabled. Next, open another app that uses the camera, such as Snapchat, and check whether the camera is working there. If the camera still doesn't work, it may be a hardware issue, and you should visit your nearest Apple service center. However, if the camera works in other apps, make sure your iPhone software is updated to the latest version. As a final method, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings. This will restore your default settings without deleting your personal data. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.